Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to highlight in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the free trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. There are different methods or a couple of ways for you to be able to highlight certain elements here in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so one of the best option is if you want to highlight a single text, all I have to do is click the type tool and type a text here. For example, how to highlight. You can do that and drag the text by clicking the selection tool to anywhere you want it. As you can see, my text is already highlighted. How did I achieve that? Well, it's simple. All I'm going to do is go to the effects control right here. That is the editing section. And then just go to the text. You see the eye icon. Click the forward button. There should be an option here for the appearance. Basically, this fill means the font color. You see, I'm going to choose white. Now, if I change the stroke, that would give you, for example, a green, that would give you a green highlight. You see that? So that's one way. Now, if you want to create a highlighted effect for your video, my video is going to be my second element here. I want you to go to the effects panel. If you can't find the effects panel, go to the Windows, type in the effects, right? And then here, type in lighting. You see this? And then drag this lighting, hold your mouse, drag it to your video, right? Not your photo. You can do that in photo as well if you want. So let's try both. You see the lightning effect right here? After that, you need to go to the effects control or the editing. So drag the lighting effects here. And then you see there's kind of like a shape right here. Go down to the lighting effects. Choose the light one. Instead of spotlight, you can use directional to illuminate all of this, omni. And if you use the spotlight and drag the this one right here, you kind of created a highlight effect. All right. So it's highlighting the one part of your video. So these are going to be some of your options to highlight elements here in Adobe Premiere Pro. So once you are happy, you just have to click the file button here and click the export button to different file formats. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.